guys, welcome to my channel. I had to do a voiceover because I had music in the background on the previous video. I'm putting in 3 amber lights, as you can see here on the F150 grill. It comes through Amazon or any website. Comes as DODD. You can see where I fed the hot wire. You do got to take out a couple bolts. You got the one here, another there, and that'll bring the whole front end off. And then you got the side bolts. I believe there's T25s. I don't recall. It's been a while. But yeah, you just take the bracket off. That'll come off, and then this will come as DODD. So the kit comes with an F and an R. You just screw them in the back side there. I mean, it's pretty simple. It looks good though. It's cheap. Initially they were expensive. It's made of the ABS, the hard plastic. So all I did is I ran it to my daylights. So I just ran the pop that grommet off. That one there, I believe it's two grommets. And I just fed the wire behind. And on the side there, and there's the hot wire. Of course, just ground out, and then take your hot wire, run it to the hot side on the blinker. I'm sorry, not the blinker, the daylights. That's pretty much it, man. Pretty simple. Looks sick though. Looks good at night. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.